Welcome back in to Meet Your Neighbor. Elder law attorney David Groner joins us again this week. David, welcome back.
It's good to be back.
So we're talking about an LLC and a trust. If someone has their property in an LLC, do they still need to create a trust?
Sure. Well, an LLC is a limited liability company. It's a good idea to have that, especially if you have like rental property. It protects your estate from being sued for something that happens on your rental property. So I'm always advising people, you got a rental property, get an LLC, limited liability. So, but what is it? It's a company you create, but you also own it. You have what's called a membership interest, so you own it. Well, if you don't put it in a trust and you die, guess what? Your estate still has to go through probate. Your children still have to go through the process of getting the courthouse to transfer that ownership to them. And then, of course, if it's still in your name and you go into a nursing home, they can use those assets or force you to use those assets to pay for the nursing home. So just having it in an LLC, no, I think you should do a trust if you want to protect that ownership of that LLC. Now, you put it in the trust, but guess what? You still get to manage it. So really, it shouldn't change the way you operate.
And are there any other risks aside from probate and your successors having to go through all of that? Are there any other risks we need to be aware of if we don't put it in a trust?
Well, if you don't put it in the trust, the main risk is, number one, it's got to go through probate, but number two, the nursing home. As you get older, our creditor, anyone could sue you and eventually get through to that LLC if you owe a bunch of money, or you are in declining health and you have to pay for a nursing home. So that's the reason why when I do trusts and people have LLCs, it works out beautifully, especially if they have a whole bunch of property. I don't have to transfer the property to the trust. I just have to transfer the ownership of the LLC to the trust. Makes it very easy.
Yeah. Anyone wondering more about this particular topic with David, you can see all of our other discussions at klfy.com. You can also, though, give David a call and schedule your appointment with him by calling the number on the bottom of your screen, or learn more by visiting their website or the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic Facebook page.